Hello guys, may adlaw sintanan. Yes, today is Sunday, and for me today is not just a normal day because today is also my birthday. They say that today is my special day. Today, right, no? But there's a thing na nasa una-una sad nga gusto na akong i-share ninyo. And here it is. Sugdan na nato. In this particular moment, this time, I want to share this to you. I want to talk about life, kinabuhi. Birthday, no? Ambot, no? Pero naay butang sa kong una-una nga nag-ingon ako self, i-share na nila. And I hope ma-deliver ko ni Tarong ron. Again, birthday, no? Today is my birthday. Yes, birthday should or must be celebrated. But ambot, no? Nga nung dili mawala sa kong mind, na dili na to malikayan. Ambot lang, pero sa kong mind lang, no? Na nakunawa na ako. Na my life have just took another step going to what so-called death, no? Death, kamatayon. Ganun sila, ha? We're done in Juicy Boy, birthday niya ron. Yan, nag-isgot siya about death, about kamatayon. No. What I mean here is, right now, ganahan ko guys, nga i-question ninyo sa inyong mind, existence, no? Aning a world, kumbaga inyong purpose, inyong mission, no? Mura bag mo ana kasi mong mind, nganong gipakatao man jukuan ng kalibutan na, unsa magi akong mission, unsa magi akong purpose, unsa magi meaning sa akong existence, nganong gipanganak ko aning nga kalibutan, nganong niingon makuha na nga ako nang ipa-question sa inyong mind, because I do believe that each one of us has purpose or mission. Di ko mutuo nga gipakatao lang ka diha para mo bayad na kag bills, para mo matag 7 AM mo trabaho, the same routine. You have the purpose. What I want here is, I want you to find your mission. I want you to find your real purpose in life. You, I challenge you na imong i-find na alone here in this earth, but with the guidance of our Supreme Being. Nganong ganahan mo kung nga ikaw ra? Because di ko ganahan nga maanad ka ani nga mood. Ay, tuo man ka. Si Juan Ray bahala na ko eh. No, because you are the artist of your own life. Do not give the paintbrush to anyone else. Right? What I mean here is life. Kinabuhi, no? Life is full of ups and downs, no? Mura ra nagligid ang kinabuhi, no? Minsan nakastaas, minsan nakasubos, pero majority of us are victims of those downs, no? You know what I'm saying? Kasagarang tao mas mudwell sa down sa kinabuhi, mas tagaan nilang pagtagad ang ihatag nga pagsuway sa Ginoo nya, wala sila kabantay nga pagsuway ra din na. So please also count ang mga ups nga gihatag niya, no? If down karon sa life, it's natural, it's okay. Lisod man sa kayo nga permi ka up, di man na inana ang kinabuhi. I-balance mo na sa Ginoo. It's okay if down karon sa life. Chin up. Why? Nganong isa ka na to atong ulo gyapon bisag down karon sa kinabuhi? Because we only have one life. Live, man. Live. I want you to live. Hope, no? H-O-P-E. Hold on. Pain ends. Have a hope. Paglaom, no? I have this favorite quote about hope, no? They say, hope, sometimes that's all you have when you have nothing else. But if you have it, you have everything. But the most common question is, how can we find hope? No, unsaon nato pagkuha sa paglaom sa panahon nga natay mga pagsuway sa atong kinabuhi. Kanino ako ni ibalik, no, of how can we find hope. Ako ning gi-answer sa akong interview last week sa panungduman sa Philippine Institute of Civil Engineers, Silliman University. Ilawang interview, they say, hey Joseph, how do you find hope in the midst of hardships? Then I simply answered, I don't find hope, because hope is given, no? As long as you're breathing right now, that's already a hope. As long as God let you wake up today, that's already a hope. Paglaom na, no? As long as naginhawa ka karon, that's already a hope. Right? Yeah, I know that's a subjective answer, but for me, ganahan si ko nga may ana ang inyong thinking. As long as naginhawa ka, paglaom na nga gihatag sa Ginoo. No? Rise above the storm and you will find sunshine. Kumbaga, look at the sunny side of everything. You know what? Itatak na sa inyong mind is, no? Kamo mga ungart, have a hope. Because did you know nga naay someone sa hospital ron nga nag-agaw buhay, nag-wish og another life, nag-wish ana imong life nga gibarugan ron. No, naay nag-ampo dito, Lord, may tagtagaan po ko nimo another chance to live. May tagtagaan po ko nimo second life. You know what I mean? I want you to live. Mga ungart, I want you to have a dream. I want you to have got target sa inyong life, trust me, it's all about setting your mind. And kanang mind nginaan mo ron is very powerful na. Diba after that, majority of you kaya nang we absent. That's the power of mind. Imo rang nakita, i-register dito sa imong mind, ya wala ka bantay nga imo nang nabuhat. Explain ko na madugay ta. So that's it mga ungart. So mga tayo na mo, unsay wish nako karon nga birthday nako, I want you to be healthy. And then ganahan ko inyo kong tabangan sa pag-spread og positivity and love. Godspeed.